Hey there, I wanted to show you this software that I used for updating my version of PHP on cPanel. And it's this little thing right here called PHP Tweaks. Also, if I search in the search bar, it pops up as the first option, PHP Tweaks. And it looks like it's just for Namecheap users, but if I click on this, it takes me to this dashboard where I can either do this for a specific domain or I can do this for my whole Namecheap account. And I can go in here and select the version of PHP I want to run, and it's got some settings over here that I don't really know what they're doing, but yeah, you can select a version here and be careful because once you select it, it will automatically start updating as this kind of low-key info box tells you. It's not going to ask you for confirmation, and it could crash your site if you do it, so you'll be warned. But yeah, that way you can change the version for either a single domain or for the whole. I guess this is probably the whole server. So I did this for my WordPress site, and I was able to get to go up from one of these PHP 7 versions up to 8. And it caused some issues with a plugin of mine, but yeah, I was able to resolve that just by deactivating that plugin because I wasn't using it anymore anyway. So yeah, that's if you want to know about PHP updates to your site in cPanel and Namecheap, you can go ahead and give that a try. Hope that was helpful. All right, bye.